Hello, let's use two unique methods in solving for x in x square root of x and the square root of x equal to 3. We are asked to find the value of x. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now, if you look at this question very well, you're going to see that we can apply two methods in solving this question. All depends on your great use of indices and the laws of indices and the square root application. Now, let's look at the first method. In method 1, we are going to apply the square root method. In that square root method, for us to clear a square root, we need to square both sides. So what I'll do is to take the square of both sides. So this is going to give me the square of x multiplied by the square root of x multiplied by the square root of x all squared. And whatever we do to the left hand side, we'll equally do to the what? To the right hand side. So if we square that expression on the left hand side will become x squared multiplied by the square root of x multiplied by the square root of x all squared, and this will be equal to 3 to the power of 2. Now from this expression, you see that this square will clear this square root, and then we'll be left with x to the power of 2 multiplied by x to the power of 1 multiplied by the square root of x, and this will be equal to 3 to the power of 2. Now in the next step, we're going to consider clearing the square root. But then before that, we can use the laws of indices on this. And when we use the multiplication law of indices, remember the exponent will have to add up. And that will give us x to the power of 3, right? Multiplied by the square root of x equal to 3 to the power of 2. Now let's square both sides. If we square both sides, we are going to have x to the power of 3 multiplied by the square root of x all squared, and this will be equal to 3 squared or what? All squared. Now from this expression, you see that this will now become x to the power of 3 all squared, right? Multiplied by square root of x all squared, and this will be equal to 3 to the power of 4. Great. Now from that expression, you come to see that this square will definitely clear this square root, and then we'll be left with x to the power of 3 times 2 will give us 6 multiplied by x to the power of 1, and this will be equal to 3 to the power of 4. Great. Now from this expression, we add this, simplifying using the laws of indices. That will give us x to the power of 7 equal to 3 to the power of 4. Now we are asked to find the value of x. And to find the value of x, I'm going to multiply both sides by 1 divided by the power of the reciprocal of 7. And that will give me what? This is going to give me x to the power of 7 multiplied by the reciprocal of 7. And that will be equal to 3 to the power of 4 multiplied by the reciprocal of 7. And what will that give me? The exponent over here will multiply, and then this will have to clear this, and then I'll be left with my x to be equal to 3 to the power of this multiplied by this is 4 divided by 7. And that is the solution to that expression given to us here. Now, this is the first method you can use in solving this question. There's another unique method you can also use in solving this question. Whichever you use, you will definitely arrive to the right or the same solution. Now, let's try method 2. In method 2, I'm going to, remember, we are given x multiplied by the square root of x multiplied by the square root of x, and we say this is equal to 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify this, remembering that this x has no square root, and is multiplying the first x, which has just one single square root, multiplying by the second x, which have double what? Double square root. And this will be equal to what? Equal to 3. So from this expression, recall that according to the law of indices, the square of a value will be equal to y to the power of 1 divided by 2, right? So with that expression, I can have x to the power of 1 multiplied by x to the power of 1 divided by 2 multiplied by x to the power of 1 divided by 2 all to the power of 1 divided by 2, and that will be equal to 3. Now, if you simplify this, you're going to find out that this whole expression here, the exponent will have to multiply, and that will give me x to the power of 2 times 2 is 4, right? And this is going to give me x to the power of 1 divided by 2, and this is going to give me x to the power of 1, and this will be equal to 3. Now, according to the law of indices, the exponent will have to add up. This will give me x to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 4. And all this will be equal to 3. We take the LCM of all of these. This will give us 4. 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, right? Plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So if we add up the numerator, we're going to have the value of our x to be equal to 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 divided by 10 by 4, and that will be equal to 3. Now, how do we find the value of x? To find the value of x, we can simply multiply both sides by the power of 4 divided by 7. So this is going to give us x 7 divided by 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 7. And this will be equal to 3 to the power of 4 divided by 7. From this expression, 4 will have to clear 4, 7 will have to clear 7. Then our x will be equal to 3 to the power of 4 divided by 7. Now, do you notice that the solution is similar to the solution we got for the first method? So that tells us that our solution is absolutely right. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.